Hi, I'm Laura Serrano, and in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to produce some consonant sounds like da, and pa. Welcome. The first sound is da. We found this phonetic symbol and different positions as an initial word like dog, as a final word like pound, or a middle word like in the side. This is a stop sound, and you can feel your throat vibrate when as you say the letters. So it is a voiced sound. Voiced sound. You can feel a small explosion of air when you make the sound, so it's a plosive consonant. Regarding the place of articulation, the tip or the blade of the tongue articulates with the alveolar ridge, and it describes as a pico-alveolar or laminal, depending on the part of the tongue which participate in the articulation. It, the aspiration is important in the correct pronunciation of da. The sound da is made with puff of hair and unstressed syllables, like in dog, and without the puff of hair, and when it's located at the end of the words, like in pound. Um, it's important to denote that for the correct pronunciation of da, you have to put your mouth in a natural position, and then you put the tip of the tongue on the alveolar ridge in this position. This is your tongue, and you put the tongue behind of your front teeth. And then you add your voice from your vocal cords and make a slight puff of air from your throat to your mouth. Da, da, da. Let's practice with an exercise. The best way to practice your pronunciation is with tongue twisters. It's a little tricky, but it's the best. So remember, you put the tip of your tongue behind of your front teeth in this position, and then you add your voice from your vocal cords with a puff of air. Down, down, down the tip, down, dark, down, down. In this exercise, all the da sounds are at the beginning of the words. So it works in the same way. You put the tip of your tongue down, deep, damp, dark, dank, then. Down the tip, damp, dark, down, down. Down the deep, damp, dark, down, down. Let's move on with the next one. The next one is We found this phonetic symbol as initial word in like math, or as a final word like in mom, or as a middle word like in umbrella. You can feel the sound vibrate on your throat, so it's a voice, and you can see clearly both of your lips for making the sound. So it's a bilabial sound. Sorry. And if you hold your nose with two fingers, you can know that it's impossible to make this sound. It is impossible because it's a nasal consonant. So the nose works as a resonator for making this sound. For creating this sound, you have to make emphasis on the pass of the air through your nose. So you put your lips together, like in the picture. You put your lips together and then you direct the air to your nose. Mm, mm, mm. If you are doing the exercise in a good way, in a good manner, if you have a good pronunciation, you can stretch the sound. Mm, mm. It is important to say that the sound is always pronounced at the end of the words, like in the word modem. Modem. You always say the M at the end of the words because if you don't say it, you are saying another word. If you don't say the sound at the end of mode, you are not saying modem. You are saying mode. So let's practice. In this case, the sound is at the beginning and is in the middle, but the pronunciation is the same. You put your lips together and you get concentrate in pass the air from your throat to your nose, through your resonator. Many, many. It is important that you make emphasis and put your lips together. Many, mumbling, mice, making, merry, music in the moonlight. Many mumbling mice are making merry music in the moonlight. Many mumbling mice are making merry music in the moonlight. So the final sound is P. We confound this phonetic symbol as initial word in people, medial sound in gospel, that is intervocalic, and after the sound S, like in spin, or as a final word in chip, or maybe the P and sometimes is silent, like in received. So this sound, you should be able to know that your throat doesn't vibrate when you say P. If you put your hand on your throat, you can know that P. Your vocal cords don't vibrate. You can clearly see that both of your lips are required to make the sound. So it's a bilabial sound, and it's an oral sound is produced on your mouth, and the aspiration is so important for pronouncing this sound. In the beginning of unstressed syllables, like in the word pay as an example, the sound P is made with a puff of hair. So when it's at the end, like in the word that we got here, like in chip, the sound is made with a puff of air. For the correct pronunciation of the sound, you have to put the lips together for stopping the air in the mouth. It's so important. If you can make this sound, that you put your lips together first. Put your lips together, and then you make the sound with a press of air. You're pushing the air. Let's practice. Printed papers under pressure make pens prickle. Printed papers under pressure make pens prickle. Note that for making that sound, the first that I do is to put the lips together, and then I make the sound with my voice with a puff of air. Printed papers under pressure make, pants, prickle. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video and see you on the next time.